Hello, I'm İlker from Patona. Today I want to introduce you our new COB-300 Light, the perfect solution for all photographers and videographers that need a powerful light. This light delivers exceptional brightness and a soft diffuse light quality. You can control the color temperature precisely from warm to cool. But the control panel is not the only option to change brightness and color temperature. You can use also our smartphone app and change color temperature, for example, or shut off the complete light. That's all for today with our new product. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.